I'm here to demonstrate how you can use a RInseroo to effectively and really quickly clean and rinse your shower. Basically what it is a slip-on hose. The connector is a really super stretchy topper that will stretch up to 10 times its original size without ripping. And you slide it over your shower head. It'll fit a shower head that's about 7 inches in diameter. This is just a standard one, but you can use it on one that's quite large. And what I like to do is prep my walls before I put the cleaner on them. I like to get the water on, warm it up, and that's why the RInseroo is great. You really can't do that unless you had a bucket. So I take my shampoos and whatnot out, clean out the shower totally, get the soap out, and then I just turn it on. I prep the walls. The great thing is you get into all these cracks and crevices that your squeegee doesn't clean, and there's a lot of slimy stuff in there. So I prep the walls, I turn it off, and then I use the cleaners and scrub away. I'll do this quickly to demonstrate. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Get this door as well. It keeps the shower doors amazingly clean. I use it all the time. Just rinse it off. It gets the whole door rinsed in about a couple seconds, and you get all the cracks around it. It's wonderful. So I have everything scrubbed. Now I need to rinse, and this is where the RInseroo is awesome. Literally in seconds, you can rinse your whole shower. You get those crevices. If there's hair on the wall, you get all that off. You get the floor, which, you really always have stuff on the floor, hair and toxic cleaners and whatnot, the crevices by the door. Any shelving that you have easily comes clean. So the whole shower is done in seconds. You turn it off, and then it slips right off. The beauty of the RInseroo is you only need one for every shower in your house. So it's a great alternative to installing a handheld shower. It's cheaper and it works great. You don't have to look at a handheld. It's just portable and it fits in your cleaning caddy. It's a wonderful, wonderful product. It's also designed, if you disconnect mid-hose, you can shorten the length of the RInseroo, and it works really great in the sink or in a tub. Great for rinsing babies, pets, whatever you need to, or your hair even, in a sink. It'll fit a utility sink great as well. So that's the RInseroo. I love it. I think it's a great product, and that's my demo.